Imagine this. You're standing in a lift with your boss, or at a wedding with a guest you don't know. You're just staring at your phone in silent mode because you don't know what to say. Machi, if you feel awkward during small talk, you're losing big opportunities. In today's video, I'm giving you the secret formula to talk to anyone, anywhere, with total confidence. Let's change your social life starting now.
Machi, finally, I need the solution as much as our viewers do. Welcome back to the English Machi. Today we're talking about small talk. சின்ன சம்பாஷணைகள். But இதுதான் நம்ம first impression-ஐ decide பண்ணும். கரெக்ட்டா?
Absolutely, Pooja. Small talk isn't just about the weather. It's about building a human connection. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம ஃபன்னா, என்டர்டெய்னிங்கா and ஈஸியா கற்கலாம். ரெடியா?
ஓகே மச்சி, ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுவோம். சடனா ஒருத்தரை பார்த்தா வாட் இஸ் யோர் நேம்னு ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணா ரொம்ப போரிங்கா இருக்கும். என்ன கேட்கலாம்?
ட்ரூ. நேமே தவிர நிறைய இருக்கு. Just remember the FORD method. FORD. It stands for family, occupation, recreation and dreams. இதுதான் உங்க conversation emergency kit. எந்த சிச்சுவேஷன்லயும் இது ஒர்க் ஆகும்.
Let's break it down. F for family. But Machi, how many children do you have னு கேட்டா அது இன்டர்வியூ மாதிரி இருக்கும்ல?
Exactly. அது awkward-ஆ இருக்கும். Instead, try this. Are you from around here or is your family based somewhere else? See, it's natural. Or any exciting plans with your family this weekend? Simple.
இப்ப புரியுது. What about O for occupation?
Occupation-na வேலை. What do you do is old school. Try asking, how did you get into your line of work? Or what's the most interesting part of your job?
மச்சி, அது நல்லா இருக்கு. It makes the other person feel special and encourages them to tell a story instead of a one-word answer.
Exactly. Next is R for recreation. Basically, free time-la enna பண்றீங்க? What do you do to relax after a long day? Or have you picked up any new hobbies recently?
And the last one is D for dreams. இது என்ன ஆக போறீங்கன்னு இல்ல, right?
Correct. It's about aspirations or upcoming plans. Like any travel plans for the weekend. Or I heard you're learning guitar. How is that going? Just gentle curiosity, not an interrogation. இங்கே தான் connection start ஆகும். Pooja, let's play a game called the yes-no trap. If I ask you a question and you can only say yes or no, the conversation will die immediately.
Like a police investigation.
Exactly. For example, did you like the movie? Answer is yes. End of story. Instead, use open-ended questions. What did you think about the movie's climax? Now you have to explain your thoughts.
Wow, simple logic, but it's a real game changer. Always start with why, how, or what. Avoid do you or are you.
Machi, speaking is everything. Listening is the real Gethu skill. நீங்க ஃபோனை பார்த்துட்டு ஓகேன்னு சொன்னா கனெக்ஷன் கட் ஆயிடும். ட்ரூ. யூஸ் paraphrasing. அவங்க சொன்ன விஷயத்தை திரும்ப உங்க வேர்ட்ஸ்ல சொல்லுங்க. Suppose someone says, I had a very busy day at the hospital. நீங்க ஓகேன்னு சொல்லக்கூடாது. Say, wow, so it sounds like you were on your feet all day. That must be tiring.
சூப்பர். இப்போ அவங்களுக்கு புரியும் நீங்க அவங்கள வேல்யூ பண்றீங்கன்னு. This builds massive trust.
Machi, how to end a conversation? சில நேரம் எஸ்கேப் ஆக தெரியாம முழிக்கிறோம். Graceful transitions are key. Use phrases like, it was great chatting with you, but I have to go check on something. Catch you later. Or, I won't keep you any longer. I'm sure you're busy. Have a great day. Polite, professional, and confident. Alright, theory padachu. Let's practice. Imagine we are in a lift. 30 seconds. Pooja, go.
Hey, good morning. I saw your team was busy yesterday. How is the new project coming along?
Brilliant. You used a how question. Scenario 2. At a party, meet Suresh. He's silent.
Hey Suresh, nice to meet you. How do you know our host? Are you guys into the same hobbies?
See, you used recreation. Suresh has to speak now. Friends, that's the magic of small talk.
Machi, we did it. FORD method, open questions and polite exits. If you know this, you are the star of any function.
Don't just watch. Go talk to one new person today. That's your homework. Episode 6 is a wrap. Stay Gethu, stay talkative. Subscribe பண்ண மறந்துடாதீங்க. Bye bye.